Last fall when we got started on the walls, we stopped at a certain point, really close to the very top. And there was a method to our madness.
There was, yeah. We were unsure of whether we wanted cabinets up there, and we also knew that there was going to be wiring that needed to go in for the lighting.
Yeah, so we kind of left it open until we had decided on what we were doing up there, which I think we're there now.
We're just going to go nice and clean, no cabinets, because it'll make it way too closed in at the top to put the cabinets down the sides.
The sacrifice of head space was just not worth it.
It's probably time to get into the wiring. I want to make it where we can still get in and work on wiring, so it's not going to be permanent in there. A lot of it's already there because it did have lights in it before. And then we'll be able to start putting the pallets on the sides. The last strip of ugly.
Oh my gosh, this has been bugging us so bad that we haven't finished that.
It's time.
Can I take your order, please?
In Building with Earth Bags, we discovered our family thrived creatively and grew stronger by working side by side. We welcome you to be a part of our family for this week's adventure.
Up underneath here, there's going to be a little bit of a lip, and we're going to tuck some lights kind of down the edges of this thing. And then these yellow and white wires here that I cut off are going to be for lighting underneath the rear cabinet for over the bed. This yellow and white here goes to the overhead light, which is obviously going to stay as an overhead light. So we just have to make sure all these wires are going to be accessible to us after we put the paneling up. That is my hope.
Sounds like a good plan.
Yeah. So these should all have voltages in here. 2 volts. Well, that's an issue. Inline fuse right here.
Ooh.
Okay, so that fuse is still very much okay. Probably a connection issue then. Looks like this wire turns to a black. So let's go find that underneath the hood. Let's pull the van forward a smidge. Okay. I bet these are them right here. Then they go in through the firewall. We did it. The wiring is tucked.
Oh, it looks so clean, babe. Wow, it's already looking so much better. Garen got all the wiring done yesterday, so we are finally ready to finish up the sides. We just got to get like the structure going, and then we can start doing the slats, right?
Yes.
Woohoo!
Oh, we gotta insulate.
Oh, why do we always forget to insulate? So we still got a lot of this foam stuff. Wow, don't mind us here. Perfect there.
So we gotta cut 3 fingers. Well, 3 and a smidge. Start here and go 3 fingers by the time you get to there. You know?
I don't. What are you saying? Here,
So.
here, you do it. You do it. You do it.
Let me get my 3 and a smidge. And we're back.
Using official tools and everything.
This is gonna make such a mess. Beautiful, babe.
Now I know what you were talking about. Nice.
Okay, well, that's not the prettiest thing, but
We're covering it up, so it's okay.
it's insulating. Okay.
Now we can get going on the sides.
So this is kind of a secondary trim piece, and I'm just putting it up underneath. That way when you look up from the bottom of this thing, you see a nice clean curve.
Yeah, and that's what we'll hang our LED light strips on, right?
Yeah, it also gives us a really good surface to hang those things from. Okay, trim pieces are in, so now I guess a few uprights where we're gonna put our seams, and then we'll start putting pallet boards up. Kinsley's awake? Okay, we'll go get her.
Sounds like she's singing in there. Kim came up to join us.
There's our structure. So there is a lot of excess room back here, which we could have used for storage, but this is just so much simpler and cleaner. I'm just gonna pack insulation out now. Don't you think? Just put
Yeah, just fill it
maybe
in.
one more strip.
It's looking cleaner already.
Yeah.
Hey. Check this out, huh? What do you think, Celia? You like the cup holders? Those are pretty cool. Oh, babe. That is gorgeous.
I think I'm gonna build some sort of corner trim that's gonna go in here to kind of clean up the corners, but I'm not sure what that's gonna look like yet, and I have to build it for underneath the cabinet too, so I'm just gonna kind of do that in one shot. I'm guessing it's gonna be kind of a wedge piece. That's kind of what I'm thinking,
Yeah, I
but
think that would look really good.
yeah.
Oh, I love it.
Okay, we'll get the other side tomorrow, huh?
Sounds Smells good.
Back at it again. I'm gonna get going on the other side. I'm gonna start again with the insulation, then the framework, and the pallets. Hey, girls.
Hey.
You guys coming out to help?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah. Let's start cutting in the insulation, huh? That is a horrible sound. Maybe horrible, we got her finished.
Nice.
These are just extras that I cut earlier, and I think they're just gonna, yep. Woo! I'm getting better at these.
That looks really good.
Yeah, that one turned out all right. Let's get this guy screwed in. Structure piece 1. 3 more to go. So wet. Hey. I got all the woodwork finished up, a little bit of polyurethane to do left, but I'm gonna do a quick cleanup right now, get all the little foam balls out from insulating, and then pick up all my tools, and then tarp some stuff off.
Alright, Zelia, let's get the polyurethane. Do you think Daddy already got it? Let's get you a brush then, huh? This one? Dad's got it all set up for us, Zelia. Like Mama does. Good job. We're getting started. Azealia painted that board.
Aw, did a good job. Hey, darling.
Yeah.
Not to be nitpicky, but that's a drip. Thanks. You think the joke would stop being funny?
It is, darling.
Funny? Yeah, I know. I got this.
I love this knot. It is so pretty.
Yeah, I was thinking of you when I cut that out.
How gorgeous that is. Alright.
Next side.
This is not because I spill.
It's for me, so I feel better, right?
Yeah, it's for you.
And I'm painting a little too, and I'm pretty sloppy.
Yeah, I know, yeah, and your brush probably just like splattering it everywhere.
Because it's huge.
Yeah. Ooh, that knot just came out and popped now, didn't it?
Yeah. My job's done.
You don't want to paint all the rest with that little tiny brush.
Not particularly.
Alright. Some of these boards just like became so gorgeous with the polyurethane, didn't they? Like this one, the knots all pop. I love it.
Thank you so much for joining us today. We have a lot of really cool designs over on our website that you can get on t-shirts, tank tops, and mugs. So if you'd like, head on over there. Last Wednesday, the family finished up the outdoor shower. So if you haven't seen that, definitely go over there and check that out. Have a great 4th of July weekend, and we'll see you on Monday with the podcast.
Thank you.
Ready, Sammy? Yeah, be careful. Ah, hold on, it's bending that way, hold on. He was a lot littler when we went
Yeah, I
up
think I was a lot smaller when I did that last.
That's too heavy.
Our family moved from the city to the country. Thanks for taking part in our adventure. We have new videos every Friday evening. If you would like to help us out, you can like this video, share it, subscribe, or support us on Patreon. See the links in the description.
Stop pushing the horn, you're gonna wake your sister up.
Sleep. Remember we go shh. Good job. Nice and cool.
Thank you. That's so nice and cool.
Your sister off, Azealia? And Diesel. Oh, he's so good. Taking care of everybody. Good job.